Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding a video to your YouTube playlist. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Save button under the video. Go ahead and left click on that. So if you want to add it to your Watch Later playlist, you can do that just by check marking in there. If you want to create a new playlist, you can select the plus new playlist button. And then you can choose a title for this. Doesn't really matter. The visibility, so if you want it to be available to everyone, you can select public. However, you can also select private if you just want it to be for yourself. And then you can select the create button once you've done that. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just select the create button. And then if we go and select our hamburger icon in the top left, there should be an area underneath view that says playlist. Go ahead and left click on that. And then it should have your favorite section. So we're just going to go ahead and left click on that. And it'll show all your videos over on the right. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.